Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to post a YouTube link on Reddit. Before you do anything, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just go ahead into searching for Reddit, okay, and just double check if the Reddit app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and get right on it, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just open up the Reddit app, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just click right here on my avatar icon at the top right, move along to the profile right here. Now what I'm gonna do, in order to submit a link right here on Reddit, click the plus button right here to create, and basically you're gonna see right here a photo, video, like a poll, and you can see a link, right? Just enter right here the URL. Okay, let's have an example. For me, I took it from YouTube Shorts. All right, and as you can see right here, the title automatically is set by itself, and if you want to add something, something extra, just go ahead and do it, and just hit post right here at the top right, and basically what's gonna happen, you're gonna see right here your post has been submitted right here. All right, let's turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.